स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 1.5 डिफरेंशिएशन एक्सरसाइज 1.5 हायर ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव ये करने जा रहे हैं. सो व्हाट इज दिस हायर ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव? y इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स डिफरेंशिएबल फंक्शन है. dy बाई डी एक्स मतलब फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव, दैट इज एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स. सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव इज अगेन वी डिफरेंशिएट इट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, that will give us second order derivative d2 d square y by dx square, that is f2 dash of x. तो ये होगा सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव, सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव, फिर और डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो थर्ड ऑर्डर और nth ऑर्डर डिफरेंशिएशन. सो एट प्रेजेंट एक्सरसाइज 1.5 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, ओनली वी फाइंड सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. सो सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव मीन्स दो बार आपको डिफरेंशिएट करना है. सो लेट अस सी द फर्स्ट सब क्वेश्चन, दैट इज y इज इक्वल टू 2x to the power 5 minus 4x cube 2 upon x square minus 9, that is y is equal to 2x to the power 5 minus 4x cube 2 upon x square, we write 2x to the power minus 2 and minus 9. Differentiate it with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 2 derivative of x to the power 5, 5x to the power 4 minus 4 derivative of x cube, which is 3x square, minus 2 derivative of x raised to power minus 2 will be minus 2x raised to power minus 3, and this constant will be 0. So that dy by dx, this first order derivative dy by dx is equal to 10x to the power 4 minus 12 x square plus 4 x to the power minus 3. Again we differentiate it with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x will give us second order derivative d square y by dx square, which is 10 into derivative of x to the power 4, 4x cube minus 12, derivative of x square is 2x plus 4, derivative of x to the power minus 3, minus 3x to the power minus 4, power will reduce, and finally second order derivative, that is d2y by d square y by dx square is getting 40 x cube minus 24x and this minus 12 upon x to the power 4. This will be the second order derivative of first sub question. Now come to second sub question. Second sub question is y is equal to x cube into log of x. Product of two functions is there, u derivative of v, v derivative of u will be the first order derivative dy by dx, that is differentiating with respect to x. So first order derivative dy by dx is x cube into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of x cube, that is 3x square, which will be, this will reduce by 1, x square, ये x square होगा plus 3x square into log of x, that is first order derivative dy by dx. फिर वापस से डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे हम, विल गेट सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. So differentiate it again with respect to x. So you will be getting second order derivative. Differentiate it again with respect to x. So d square y by dx square इसका डेरिवेटिव x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव होगा 2x. यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फंक्शंस x स्क्वायर एंड log ऑफ x. So सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव d स्क्वायर y by dx स्क्वायर ये होगा 2x प्लस 3 इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x स्क्वायर इंटू log ऑफ x. So x स्क्वायर डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log x 1 by x और log of x into derivative of x square which 2x. X will reduce, that is index will reduce by 1, so it will be x 2x d square y by dx square plus this is 3x, 1x is getting cancelled, plus 3 and this 2 6x into log of x. So this comes out to be 5x. So therefore d square y by dx square is equal to 5x 6x into log of x. This is our required answer. Now come to the fifth sub question. Y is equal to log x. We find second order derivative. So first order derivative will be what? dy by dx is equal to log x, log of fx 1 upon fx into f dash of x. So this differentiating with respect to x 1 by log x into derivative of log x, इसका डेरिवेटिव 1 upon x. फिर इसको हम न्यूमरेटर में ले सकते हैं. So that will x into log of x raised to power what? Minus 1, which is our dy by dx. वापस इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. So differentiating it again with respect to x, fx raised to power n फॉर्म में है ये. So next left hand side will be d square y by dx square और right hand side जो है fx raised to power n फॉर्म में है. So it will be n, that is minus 1, fx raised to power n minus 1, that is x log of x, n minus 1 मतलब minus 2. वापस इसके डेरिवेटिव d dx of x into log of x. So it is remain to find derivative of this only. ये डिनोमिनेटर में जाएगा d square y by dx square minus sign is there upon x log of x whole square. ये डिनोमिनेटर में जाएगा और इसका डेरिवेटिव प्रोडक्ट रूल से x डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log x प्लस log x डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x is 1. ये आएगा 1 प्लस log x. So d square y by dx square will be equals to minus 1 upon x log x whole square, and this is 1 plus log x. So you can rearrange the terms as d square y by dx square is equal to minus 1 plus log x upon x log x whole square. So this will be second order derivative of the question number 5. Sixth sub question, y is equal to x raised to power x. फंक्शन रेस्ट टू पावर फंक्शन है तो लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन लेना होगा आपको. लॉग ऑफ u, लॉग ऑफ y इज इक्वल टू लॉग ऑफ x रेस्ट टू पावर x, दैट इज x इनटू लॉग ऑफ x. राइट हैंड साइड क्या है? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फंक्शंस है. डिफरेंशिएट इट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. 1 by y dy by dx is equal to x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log of x into derivative of x is 1. So dy by dx is equal to, this y will be here in the right hand side, x cancel होगा 1 plus log x और y is x raised to power x. So dy by dx is equal to x raised to power x into 1 plus log x. You can denote it by, see this dy by dx is nothing but d dx of x raised to power x, and that is x raised to power x into 1 plus log x. We denote it by 1. Now again we want to differentiate it with respect to x, as we require to find second order derivative. So d square y by dx square will be d dx of dy by dx. That means derivative of this, इसका इसमें product of two functions है x raised to power x और 1 plus log x. So this derivative will be, we'll write it d dx of x raised to power x into 1 plus log of x. There is product of two functions, u derivative of v or v derivative of u. We use that second order derivative x raised to power x into derivative of this. Derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of log x is 1 by x plus 1 plus log x into derivative of this function x raised to power x into derivative of x raised to power x. This is x raised to power, see your left hand side is d square y by dx square, x to the power x minus 1, because denominator is x, so one power will reduce, and 1 plus log of x into derivative of this. As we said in the equation 1, derivative of x raised to power x is x raised to power x 1 plus log x. The same we substitute here. This we substitute x raised to power x into 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x. Now this 1 plus log x and this 1 plus log x make it square. So derivative d square y by dx square is x raised to power x minus 1 plus x raised to power x into 1 plus log x whole square. X raised to power x minus 1, x raised to power x 1 plus log x whole square. Question number 2 of exercise 1.5. Find second order derivative d square y by dx square. X is a into theta minus sin theta, y is a into 1 minus cos theta. So here parameter is theta. So we apply here parametric differentiation. So dy by dx, how we find? It is dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So parametric differentiation is there. Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? Derivative of a into 1 minus cos theta, which is a into derivative of 1 is 0, and derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, and this minus will be plus sin theta upon dx by d theta, which is a derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1, and derivative of sin theta is cos theta. So this a is getting cancelled, so that dy by dx is equal to sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. Listen, we can express sin theta as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 upon 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2, 2 sin square theta by 2. This 2 is getting cancelled, sin theta by 2 is getting cancelled. See, 2 and sin theta by 2 is getting cancelled. What is left? dy by dx is equal to numerator cos theta by 2 and denominator is sin theta by 2, which gives us cot theta by 2. This is derivative dy by dx. Now we require d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square, which is d dx of dy by dx, but our dy by dx is function of theta, so this we differentiate first with respect to theta. Chain rule of derivative we use, d dx is equivalent to d d theta and d theta by dx. We apply this, so d d theta of dy by dx, because dy by dx क्या है, फंक्शन ऑफ थीटा है, dy by dx is cot theta by 2 है, so into d theta by dx. What is our dy by dx? Cot theta by 2. D square y by dx square is equal to d d theta of cot of theta by 2, and d theta by dx will write 1 upon dx by d theta, because we have here dx by d theta, which is a into 1 minus cos theta. So d d theta of cot, derivative of cot is minus cosec square theta by 2, and into again theta by 2 derivative will be 1 by 2, and upon dx by d theta is, this derivative is a 1 minus cos theta, a into 1 minus cos theta, which is d square y by dx square is equal to, this 1 by 2 is there, minus sign is there, a is there, cosec square theta by 2 is there, 1 minus cos theta will write 2 sin square theta by 2, and that will be is equal to minus of 1 by 4a, this 4a, and 1 upon sin square means cosec square, and this cosec square, it will be cosec to the power 4 theta by 2. So this will be derivative when our functions are in parametric form. So d square y by dx square is equal to minus 1 upon 4a cosec to the power 4 theta by 2. Third sub question, x is sin theta, y is sin cube theta, and we find d2 y by dx, d square y by dx square when x is theta, when theta is equals to pi by 2. So find out dy by dx, it is parametric form, ये parametric functions है, so derivative of parametric dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So what is dy by d theta? Sin cube. Sin cube है तो 3 sin square theta into derivative of sin theta, which is cos theta, which is dy by d theta. Then dx by d theta, derivative of sin theta, it will be cos theta. This cos theta is getting cancelled, and you will be getting dy by dx is equal to 3 sin square theta. Further, second order derivative we find d square y by dx square, that is second order derivative, which is d dx of dy by dx, but dy by dx, observe करो आप, it is a function of theta, so we use chain rule of derivative, it is d d theta of dy by dx into d theta by dx. So d theta of dy by dx is equal to d square y by dx square d theta of dy by dx. What is our dy by dx? 3 sin square theta, 3 sin square theta, and d theta by dx can be expressed as 1 upon dx by d theta. And we know dx by d theta is equal to cos theta, derivative of x, that is derivative of sin theta. So that second order derivative d square y by dx square is equal to 3 sin square theta. Sin square theta is 2 sin theta into derivative of sin theta is cos theta upon dx by d theta is derivative of x, that is derivative of sin theta is cos theta, so which is cos theta. ये derivative cos theta है, which is we have done, और 3 into sin square theta है जो 2 sin theta into cos theta, which is ये 6 होगा. Cos theta is getting cancelled, sin theta, but we want to find this derivative at theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore second order derivative d square y by dx square at theta is equal to pi by 2. Sin of 90 degree is 1, sin of pi by 2 is 1. So theta को substitute करो आप pi by 2 and sin pi by 2 is 1. So our answer will be 6. 6 is the answer. Fourth sub question, x is a cos theta, y is b sin theta. Second order derivative d square y by dx square at theta is equal to pi by 4 we find. So first we find first order derivative dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by, as it is parametric functions, so dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Derivative of y with respect to theta, that is b cos theta. Sin theta derivative is cos theta, p constant, upon dx by d theta. X is a cos theta minus a sin theta. So dy by dx is equal to minus b upon a into cot theta. This is dy by dx. Now again differentiate it with respect to x. So you will get d square y by dx square, which is d dx of dy by dx, dy by dx, which will be d square y by dx square is equal to d dx of dy by dx. But dy by dx is function of theta. This is our dy by dx. So we first differentiate it with respect to theta, and then theta with respect to x, minus b upon a cot theta into d theta by dx. This d theta by dx will write 1 upon dx by d theta. So second order derivative d square y by dx square is equal to minus b upon a constant, derivative of cot theta is minus cosec square theta, minus cosec square theta. Dx by d theta by dx will write 1 upon dx by d theta, which is this minus and minus will be plus b upon a cosec square theta, and 1 upon dx by d theta. Dx by d theta is minus a sin theta. This we have done here. Dx by d theta minus a sin theta upon minus a sin theta, which together will be b upon a square d square y by dx square is equal to minus b upon a square. This denominator sin theta is cosec square theta, which is Sin theta means cosec theta and this cosec square. So cosec cube theta it will be together. This is d square y by dx square, but at theta is equal to pi by 2 is required. So substitute pi by 2. So d square y by dx square at theta is equal to pi by 4 will be minus b upon a square into cosec pi by 4 cube. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, so cosec is root 2 cube is 2 root 2, and it is minus b upon a square into 2 root 2 is the required answer. Second order derivative at theta is equal to pi by 4 is minus b upon a square derivative. This cosec of pi by 4 is 2 root 2 and cube, it is 2 root 2. This will be the second order derivative. In this video we have completed exercise 1.5 question number 1 and 2. Thank you for watching.